Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check your Ps4 firmware and ensure the network adapter is enabled. You also need the router IP and gateway so you can set manual values later. Once done, write down the current DNS entries or take a photo. This saves rollback time. Make sure a phone or PC is nearby to verify DNS lookup results. This avoids guesswork when you switch servers, and it speeds troubleshooting if the console cannot reach PlayStation network. You now change the Ps4 to manual network settings. Go to Settings, Network, then set up internet connection and pick Wi-Fi or LAN, choose Custom. When prompted, use Manual for IP settings so you can define the gateway and subnet mask. This prevents DHCP changes from interfering. Next, input a reliable primary DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and a secondary as backup, then save. You do this because custom DNS isolates the Ps4 from router DNS caching that often causes errors. You finish by testing the internet connection from the Ps4 and signing into PlayStation Network. This confirms DNS resolution works for gaming services. If the test fails, reboot the router and console, then try an alternate DNS pair. One provider's servers sometimes block or rate limit. Make sure to use a wired connection if troubleshooting persistent issues, because Wi-Fi can mask DNS problems. If still failing, run a ping or DNS lookup on your phone and note specific Ps4 error codes to provide clear info for further support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.